Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I will be just taking you through some random days in my life. As you guys know that I'm still in Cameroon. This week it has been like a rough week for me, for Abigail and everyone in the house, because Abigail was not feeling well. But as the video goes on, you will see what I'm talking about. I had to take her to the clinic, and then later, after a few days, I was the one who was not feeling well, but I did not want to go to the clinic. So yeah, thank you guys for clicking this video again, and don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and share me out if you can. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so because it's free.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Light is gonna come. clouds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
Adeline is preparing lunch for me. I don't want this lunch. What kind of lunch is this? Snails. So yeah, I can't wait to taste them. So now you're going to put them on the fire and
remove them from the shells.
yes, Jesus. Okay. Adeline. Oh, what is that?
Where?
Jesus. Can you do it in slow motion? Oh. It seems so easy to remove it. Eh?
When it is dead, but if it's not dead, it will be easy.
No, those shells are hard. No? I don't told you how to clean these things.
I don't even know where. Seriously, I don't even know where I saw this. Maybe it's Mama.
You were just looking. Hey, that must be hard. Eh? And you're not gonna use those shells.
But some
They decorate with them, hey?
yes, people decorate with them, or they grind it and they dry it, they grind it, and they use it as for medicine now. So you let them fry after you add it.
So like this, you can eat it with rice.
That's it.
How are you going to eat it?
Oh, I wish it's simple like that. I'm not simple.
You're just gonna eat it like this. So it's like snake thing.
Let's put this in
Nyamongo.
That's what they call it here.
Listen.
It's nice, eh? That is.
So you said it's nice.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here.